1. Understanding solfeggio frequencies. Solfeggio frequencies are a set of ancient musical tones used in sacred music, known as the ut, re, mi, fa, sol, la scale. Each frequency is believed to correspond to specific healing properties. 2. Selecting the appropriate frequency. Identify the particular solfeggio frequency that aligns with your healing intention. For example, 528 Hz is associated with DNA repair and transformation, while 639 Hz is linked to harmonizing relationships. 3. Creating a calm environment. Find a quiet space where you can relax, without distractions. Consider dimming lights, lighting candles, or using essential oils to enhance the soothing atmosphere. 4. Mindful breathing. Begin with mindful breathing to center yourself and promote relaxation. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. 5. Intention setting. Set a clear intention for your solfeggio frequency healing session. Whether it's physical healing, emotional balance, or spiritual growth, clearly define what you seek to achieve. 6. Listening to the frequency. Play the selected solfeggio frequency. You can find recordings or music tracks specifically tuned to these frequencies. Use headphones or speakers for optimal sound quality. 7. Visualization and meditation. Close your eyes and engage in visualization or meditation while the solfeggio frequency plays. Imagine the healing energy of the sound enveloping you and penetrating every cell of your body. 8. Chakra alignment, optional. If you're familiar with the chakra system, you can align the solfeggio frequency with a specific chakra. Visualize the energy moving through each chakra, clearing blockages and promoting balance. 9. Affirmations and positive thoughts. Combine the solfeggio frequency with positive affirmations or thoughts related to your intention. Focus on gratitude, healing, or any affirmations that resonate with your goals. 10. Journaling and reflection. After the session, take a few moments to journal your thoughts and experiences. Reflect on any sensations, emotions, or insights that arose during the solfeggio frequency healing. Benefits of solfeggio frequency healing. Stress reduction. Solfeggio frequencies can induce a state of relaxation, helping to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Emotional release. The vibrations of the frequencies may facilitate the release of stored emotions, providing a cathartic experience. Enhanced meditation. Incorporating solfeggio frequencies into meditation practices can deepen the meditative state and enhance mindfulness. Promotes healing. Believers in solfeggio frequency healing claim that these vibrations can promote physical healing by addressing energetic imbalances. Spiritual connection. Many practitioners find that solfeggio frequencies aid in connecting with higher states of consciousness, facilitating spiritual growth. Remember that individual experiences with solfeggio frequency healing may vary. It's a personal exploration that can be integrated into your overall wellness routine.